The opposition stands resolutely against this assault on our democratic norms. We will not stand by while this government tramples on the will of the people. We will not be complicit in the destruction of our independent electoral system. We will fight this bill with every tool at our disposal. To the Jamaican people, I say this. Do not be fooled by the empty rhetoric of this government. This is not about development. This is about power. This is about control. This is about undermining the democratic institutions that have served this country well. If we allow this bill to pass, what next? Will the government carve up other parishes to further its political agenda? Will it redraw the electoral map every time it fears losing power? I could anticipate a bill coming next week trying to change the boundary between Manchester and St. Elizabeth to remove the Alligator Pond division, which will be strongly supporting the PNP. Mr. Speaker, this end run around the Electoral Commission about this convention that has been developed over decades, developed and observed and has served this country well. This is about undermining the democratic institutions that have served this country well. It is a dangerous precedent, one that we must reject with every fiber of our being. Mr. President, authoritarians, tyrants, wannabe tyrants, petty tyrants, all attack institutions and undermine institutions. We have observed the litany of attacks from that side on an institution called the Integrity Commission. We have seen the litany of attacks from that side on that institution. Now we're seeing this attack on the Electoral Commission of Jamaica. The opposition will vote against this bill. And we will not stop there. We will fight it in the court of public opinion. We will take this issue to the people. And if necessary, we will challenge it in the courts. This bill is an affront to democracy, an insult to the people of Portmore, and a disgrace to the principles of fair governance. We say to this government, shame on you for attempting to turn back the clock on Jamaica's democracy. Shame on you for trying to manipulate the electoral process. Shame on you for thinking the Jamaican people will stand idly by while you dismantle the democratic safeguards that have protected our nation for decades. This is not just a political fight. This is a fight for Jamaica's future. And we in the opposition will stand on the right side of history. We reject this bill, we will resist its implementation, and we will defend Jamaica's democracy with everything we have.